So, hey everybody, my name's Nick. If you watched my last video, you probably saw that I went over 3,000 miles to go get my Integra and bring it back from Colorado to California. And the good news is the trip itself was amazing. I've actually got more content coming from that, but the trip itself was amazing, and somehow it's here. After nearly 10 years, it's absolutely insane to me to have it in my driveway. The bad news is it hasn't left this spot since I pulled it off the trailer because it died. And now I've got to figure out what the issue is.